In this video, we will be talking about day labor payroll and how to add the employees. Now this menu is used to upload day laborers or part-time workers. In order to do so, head on over to Manage, Day Labor Payroll, and Day Labor Employee. In this menu, if you would like to upload in batch, use the ECOUNT Web Uploader feature. Download the Excel template and open the Excel template. Fill in the data and copy it like so. Once the data has been copied, make sure to click Save. Now, if you would like to modify the data in batch, press the ECOUNT Web Uploader again, click the Modify Employee Data, and select the data that you would like to edit. Press Apply, and before you download the template, make sure to include the registered data so that it's easier to upload. With the downloaded Excel file, open the file again, add the following elements that you need to modify, and then simply paste and save the data again. By pressing the New button, you are able to manually upload them. Make sure the code is not redundant, and keep in mind the name, mobile and email, and hired date. Add those in accurately. If you also have a department code that you would like to add, select the magnifying glass, select the department, or you can add a new department code. As for the Employee Information tab, you can add the address and other remarks and attachments if you need. For the earnings detail, if you would like to add any deduction and variable earnings, make sure to add the amount here. If you need certain elements but you don't see the elements here, you need to add them in the day labor earnings or day labor deductions. Furthermore, at the earnings detail page, if you have a fixed earning as well, it will show up. So based on the payment type that you have registered. Furthermore, at the additional info tab, if the employee information is needed more, then simply press Option and input screen setting. Head on over to the additional information tab and select the field and change the name to whatever you want, such as religion. As you can see, if you go to the additional info tab, the religion tab has now been added. As for others, if you would like to add the bank and bank account number for the employee, you can do so here. Lastly, if you go back to the earnings detail and check out the payroll frequency, you can add more payroll frequencies. So if you have employees that need to be paid differently, you can press New and Edit. Press New and simply add the payroll code and the payroll frequency name, and you can select the payroll frequency per employee. For whatever reason, if you need to modify them again, click the employee list and the employee that you would like to modify the data and save. If you no longer need the employee, then you can select the code and press Delete. This concludes the video on how to add day labor employees, which was under Manage, Day Labor Payroll, and Day Labor Employee.